Welcome back. Today we will listen to a calm English story. The story is about a man named Tom. This is a simple day in his life. We will follow Tom from morning to night. Listen carefully. Relax and enjoy the story. Story 1, A Simple Day with Tom. Tom wakes up early in the morning. It is a normal weekday, and the day starts quietly. The alarm clock rings at 6:30. Tom slowly opens his eyes and listens to the sound. He stays in bed for a short moment. Then he looks at the ceiling and breathes calmly. Outside, the street is still quiet. The light from the window is soft. Tom feels a little tired, but also peaceful. He knows this day will be simple and familiar. Tom slowly gets out of bed. He stands up and stretches his arms and legs. He feels his body wake up. Tom makes his bed carefully. He likes when the room looks clean. Then he walks the bathroom. The floor feels cold under his feet. He washes his face with cold water. The water helps him wake up more. Tom brushes his teeth slowly. He looks at himself in the mirror. His face looks calm but sleepy. He feels ready to start the day. After that, Tom takes a warm shower. The water is relaxing and pleasant. It helps him feel fresh and clean. While taking a shower, Tom thinks about his plans. He thinks about work and people he will meet. After the shower, Tom dries himself with a towel. He goes back to the bedroom. Tom opens a wardrobe and chooses clothes. He puts on a clean shirt and comfortable trousers. Then he puts on his shoes. He checks his appearance one more time. Everything looks fine to him. Tom goes to the kitchen. The kitchen is quiet and tidy. He prepares a simple breakfast. He makes toast and pours a cup of coffee. The smell of coffee fills the room. Tom sits at the table and eats slowly. He enjoys the warm coffee. It helps him feel more awake. While eating, Tom checks his phone. He reads a few messages. He looks at the news quickly. Nothing special happens. After breakfast, Tom washes his cup and plate. He puts everything away. Then he takes his keys and work bag. He puts on his jacket. Tom leaves the apartment and locks the door. Outside, the air feels fresh and cool. He takes a deep breath. Tom walks to his car. He gets into his own car and starts the engine. He drives to work calmly. The road is not very busy in the morning. Cars move slowly and smoothly. Tom listens to quiet music. The music helps him relax. He watches the road carefully. After some time, Tom arrives near his office. He looks for a parking place. He finds a good spot near the building. Tom parks the car and turns off the engine. He gets out of the car and locks it. Then he walks toward the office. Tom enters the office building. He greets people he knows. Some people smile back at him. Tom works as a consultant in an insurance company. His job is to help people with insurance questions. He goes to his desk and sits down. He turns on his computer. The screen lights up slowly. Tom checks his schedule for the day. Soon, clients start coming. Some people visit the office in person. Other people call on the phone. Tom listens carefully to each client. He speaks clearly and calmly. He explains insurance plans in simple words. He answers questions patiently. Some clients feel worried or confused. Others already know what they want. Tom stays polite and professional. He wants every client to feel safe and informed. At lunchtime, Tom takes a short break. He eats a small lunch at work. He drinks water and rests his eyes. Tom talks a little with his co-workers. They talk about work and daily life. The break is short but helpful. After lunch, Tom goes back to his desk. He continues working until the afternoon. In the afternoon, Tom finishes his workday. He checks his last tasks. He saves his work carefully. Then he turns off the computer. Tom stands up and stretches. He feels tired but satisfied. He leaves the office calmly. Tom gets into his car again. He drives away from work. Traffic is a little heavier now. Tom stays patient while driving. On the way home, Tom stops at Tim Hortons. He parks the car and goes inside. He orders a hot coffee. The coffee smells very good. Tom holds the cup in his hands. The warmth feels nice. After that, Tom goes to a nearby restaurant. He orders a pizza to take home. He waits a few minutes. The pizza smells delicious. Tom takes the pizza and goes back to his car. He drives home slowly. In the evening, Tom arrives home. He opens the door and goes inside. He takes off his jacket and shoes. He feels relaxed in his home. Tom washes his hands. Then he sits down to eat dinner. The pizza tastes very good. He eats slowly and enjoys every bite. After dinner, Tom cleans the table. He throws away the empty box. Then he goes to the living room. He sits on the sofa and turns on the TV. He watches a show and relaxes. The room feels cozy and quiet. Later in the evening, Tom calls a friend. They talk on the phone for a few minutes. They laugh and share small stories. The conversation feels easy and friendly. After the call, Tom's mother calls him. Tom answers the phone with a smile. They talk about his day. His mother asks about his work. She asks if he feels tired. Tom says he feels okay. The call makes him feel warm and calm. Later, Tom starts his evening routine. He goes to the bathroom again. He washes his face slowly. He brushes his teeth carefully. Then he changes into comfortable clothes. He checks his phone one last time. There are no new messages. Tom turns off the lights in the apartment. He goes to the bedroom. He lies down in bed. The bed feels soft and comfortable. Tom thinks about his day. It was simple but good. He feels calm and relaxed. Tom closes his eyes slowly. His breathing becomes quiet. Soon, Tom falls asleep. Tomorrow will be another simple day. This was Tom's day. It was a simple and calm day. Thank you for listening. You can listen again if you want. See you in the next story. Have a calm day or a peaceful night.